Cheer whānau, welcome to today's video. I'm going to teach you a waiata today, or a song. I'll also teach you the chords, so for those of you who know how to play guitar, learn the chords and strum along with me. Now, this song is one that I was taught back in college. So I went to Te Aute College, which is an all-boys Māori Anglican boarding school, and every morning at 8 o'clock, instead of morning assembly, we would have chapel. The bell would ring, we would all make our way up to chapel. We would have a group of boys called the chapel boys. I was a chapel boy once upon a time, and we would run the service. So we would do karakia, you know, we had the whole ceremony with the candles and stuff. I've got a crack up story about one of my bros, but maybe I'll save that for later. And yeah, so we would do karakia, so we would do prayers, and obviously we would sing. And a lot of the songs we would sing were hymns or himene. So this song was one we sung all the time. So the boys got sick of it. But I taught this song to a local school, St. Leo's Catholic school here on the North Shore, and they loved it. They picked it up just like that and were amazing. They sung the song at a kapahaka festival and it was awesome. So how things will run is I will play and sing the song first, then I will break down the kupu, or the words, what the song means, and then I'll go over some of like the more difficult parts, and as I go I'll mention the chords and then we'll just go from there. I am playing this in a C, so the only chords we need for this song is C, F and G. Most of the songs that I can teach are all played with those three chords. Anyway, here we go, whānau. My darling's sitting on the couch, so you might hear her every now and then. Hey, my darling. Yeah, he's just saying, Papa, hurry up. Okay, here we go. Te Atua. Oh, geez, no, that was ugly. Kororia ki te Tama o te tangata, Ihu Karaiti. Te Atua, Kororia kia koe, Kororia ki te Tama o te tangata, Ihu Karaiti. O reira te atua, Taku Atua, Arahina mātou, kātoa. No reira te atua, Taku Atua, Arahina mātou, kātoa. Amine, Got the approval from my darling, so I think that was all good. Ka pai, let's move on to the kupu. As you can see over here, we have the kupu. Now, Te Atua, the song's pretty self-explanatory for those of you who speak the reo or know the reo. Te Atua is a reference to God. So, Te Atua Kororia kia koe, so we glorify. Kororia is to glorify, so we glorify you, kia koe, you. Kororia ki te Tama, Kororia ki te Tama o te tangata a Ihu Karaiti. So that's talking about Tama is what you would say to your son. So that's what you would call son. So Kororia ki te Tama is glorify the son of te tangata, of the people, a Ihu Karaiti, which is Jesus Christ. Ihu Karaiti is Jesus Christ. No reira te atua, so God. And then there's an echo. No reira te atua, te atua. So that's the echo. So God. Taku Atua. So taku is me or my, and atua, God. So my God. Arahina mātou. Arahina mātou kātoa. So mātou is us. Arahi is to lead. So arahina is like lead us. And then arahina mātou kātoa, lead us all. Mātou katoa, us all. And then we finish with Amine repeated 3 times. Now I'll go over the more intricate parts of the song. First part is right at the beginning. So when you start, Te Atua, Kororia. Oh, so Te Atua. It comes straight in. Kororia kia koe, Kororia ki te Tama o te tangata a Ihu Karaiti. And then the leader or the kaya would come straight in, so it goes Ihu Karaiti Te Atua, instead of going like what I did earlier, Ihu Karaiti Te, like there's a gap there. So yeah, it just comes straight over the top. So the hardest part is the Amine. It's echoed, it's said 3 times and it's echoed every time, but the last echo is done twice. And the chords are just F to G. So it goes Amine, Amine, This is the leader. Amine, Amine, last one. Amine, Amine, Amine. Yeah, so remember, when you do the Amine, it's said 3 times by the kaya, by the leader. Every time is echoed, and then the last echo is done twice. Ka pai e te whānau. Well, there you go. 1 waiata to pop in your kete. If you guys enjoy this style of content, if you want me to do more waiata, I do have a book and a plethora of songs that I can teach. There are some that I would need permission to, but yeah, a lot of my school waiata. If any of the boys are watching, sing along, give it a thumbs up, because that would let me know if you guys enjoy this type of content. Otherwise, yeah, have a good day, te whānau, and I'll catch you in the next video. Chat!